Do you know how important the mass airflow sensor is for your car's performance and fuel efficiency? This small yet significant component measures the amount of air entering the engine and sends this information to the engine control unit to adjust the fuel injection accordingly. However, when the MAF sensor malfunctions, it can cause a lot of performance issues that you can't ignore. So, if you are experiencing any unusual symptoms while driving, such as poor acceleration or rough idling, it's essential to have your MAF sensor checked. In this video, we'll discuss the common symptoms of a faulty MAF sensor and their impact on your car's performance. A mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, is a device located between the air filter and the throttle body that measures the amount of air entering the engine. It works by having one wire heated and one at ambient temperature, allowing the microprocessor inside the sensor to maintain the temperature of the hot wire 200 F above the ambient incoming air. This results in accurate measurement of the airflow entering the engine. The PCM, in turn, uses this measurement to regulate the injectors and deliver the necessary fuel to create the ideal air-fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. When a mass airflow sensor goes bad, it can cause a variety of issues for your vehicle. One of the most common symptoms is hesitation or jerking while accelerating. This can be dangerous and make driving your car feel unstable. Another sign of a bad MAF is an air-fuel ratio that is too rich or too lean. This can lead to black exhaust, poor gas mileage, and rough idling. It's important to have your MAF sensor checked as soon as possible if you notice any of these symptoms. If you experience hesitation or jerking while accelerating, it's possible that your car has a bad mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and sends this information to the powertrain control module, which then adjusts the amount of fuel to achieve the ideal air-fuel mixture. A bad MAF sensor can cause poor drivability issues, such as engine stalling, jerking, or hesitation during acceleration. To prevent accidents and injury, it's important to examine your vehicle as soon as possible and have the sensor fixed if necessary. When the air-fuel ratio is too rich, there is too much fuel and not enough air in each combustion cylinder. This can result in poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, black smoke from the tailpipe, and even engine seizures or hard starting. On the other hand, a lean air-fuel ratio means there is too little fuel and too much air in each chamber, which can cause hesitation and surging, hard starting, and a check engine light. It's important to have a mechanic check for MAF sensor problems, as inaccurate measurements from the sensor can cause these symptoms. A simple solution may be cleaning the wires, but it's best to get a proper diagnosis to prevent further damage to the engine. Signs of running rich or lean can indicate a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor. Running rich refers to too much fuel and not enough air in the combustion chamber, resulting in black smoke exiting the tailpipe, worse fuel efficiency, rough idling, and a check engine light. On the other hand, running lean means too little fuel and too much air, causing engine hesitation, surging, hard starting, and another check engine light. Both cases can result from a damaged or contaminated MAF sensor or dirty wires, causing inaccurate information to be sent to the powertrain control module. Code readout P0101 is a common issue with cars that have a MAF sensor. This diagnostic trouble code means that there is a problem with the MAF circuit. The MAF sensor measures the air density that enters the engine. When it detects a malfunction, the onboard diagnostics OBD2 system triggers P0101. This indicates an irrational or out-of-range reading from the MAF sensor. The symptoms of P0101 may include a check engine light, reduced power during acceleration, rough idling, black smoke emissions, and reduced fuel mileage. It is important to have this issue diagnosed and repaired immediately to avoid potential hazards on the road. It is important to address any issues with a malfunctioning MAF sensor as quickly as possible. Ignoring the symptoms and continuing to drive with a bad MAF sensor can lead to larger issues with the vehicle. Poor fuel economy, rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, and hard starting are all indicative of a faulty MAF sensor. Additionally, a bad MAF sensor can cause damage to other components of the engine, such as the catalytic converter. Addressing the issue promptly and seeking expert diagnosis and repair can save the owner time and money in the long run. If you notice black exhaust coming from your vehicle, there's a chance that it's due to a bad mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air flowing into your engine to ensure that the proper amount of fuel is being used. If it's not functioning properly, the engine may receive incorrect readings, leading to too much fuel being burned. This extra fuel can clog the catalytic converter, resulting in black exhaust. Furthermore, if your MAF sensor is causing your engine to run rich, that is, burn too much gas, you'll likely experience poor gas mileage as well. If your car is experiencing hard starting or rough idling, it could be indicative of MAF sensor issues. The mass airflow sensor plays a crucial role in ensuring that the right air-fuel mixture is provided to your car engine. A faulty MAF sensor can lead to poor combustion and unstable engine performance, which can manifest in hard starting or rough idling. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to get your car checked by a professional mechanic who can accurately diagnose and repair the issue. When it comes to diagnosing and repairing MAF sensor problems, Advanced Automotive is the shop you can trust. Their knowledgeable and experienced mechanics can quickly identify any issues with your vehicle's mass airflow sensor and recommend the best course of action. They specialize in cleaning or replacing MAF sensors and can handle the job quickly and efficiently. With their state-of-the-art tools and equipment, they can get your vehicle back on the road in no time. Contact Advanced Automotive today to schedule an appointment and ensure that your MAF sensor is functioning properly.